Look who it is. He's been sick with the flu. That's why we haven't been out, everyone. But he is better. And we just had dinner because we got a coupon, buy one, get one free at Main Street Station buffet. So now he's full. Alright, this is a little bit of Main Street. We've already done a video, so I'll put that at the end of one of the options you can pick. Since Colin's been sick, we figured we'd do a quick video just to get something out there. We had dinner because we were hungry. Now we're gonna go do a trip on Fremont. And this is the little shortcut to California from Main Street Station. And they have $3 Bud Light, Corona, and Heine's. They just remodeled California, right? Remember they were doing all that remodel stuff? We'll see if they finished. Oh yeah, see, they opened it. They put an escalator. Oh, how cool. It's fancy up in here. So they have slots over there now. So this was all closed off. Ooh. You see Timberwolf Cup? What do you think? Security's right behind me though. Are you going out those doors? No. No? Oh.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, so they have coins here. People want to know where the coin slots are. Come to the California. Just a few in this little corner over here. Down the escalators to your left. Oh, wow, look. What is this one gonna be called?
I have no idea.
They're working on the new casino. Let's go down to the plaza and then across and over. Holy crap, look, they're pulling that big old pole. Can you see them? Oh, what if he dropped that?
Been interesting and loud.
Yeah, I hope it wouldn't come this way. Alright. So we were at Main Street Station, which is behind us. And then California's right beside it, and then the Grand. Have we done a video of the Grand? I don't think so. Alright, well next time we come down here, we'll do the Grand.
It's too late right now.
Not tonight. This Golden Gate Casino, we've tried to get videos of it, guys. Every time we walk in there, I swear they're like on us. Like, nope. Well, probably because you walk right past security every time you go in there. So, there's a little outdoorsy area over here the plaza has going on now. Huh.
Yeah.
Nobody's over there. Post-pitch game. I still like all the lights here. We got St. Patty's Day coming up. Anyone coming to St. Patty's Day? Down here. So St. Patrick's Day is on a Sunday, so we'll be down here that Saturday night. Ooh, do the Cuban shuffle. So someone called these guys the social security because all they're always doing is standing around socializing. It made me laugh. Oh, she's dancing. Oh, there's a lot of people down here. It's a Tuesday night. There's a little shop. You can go buy some cigarettes and all that funness. Yeah, look at this guy. Look at his hair. That's freaking cool. Sounds like Pot World. Aww.
Wonder how much. I bet that there's gonna be a barbecue like truck in that building.
That'd be cool. That place is bomb. Me and Dad's eaten there a couple of times.
It always has people.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're redoing it.
So I heard that they're going to remodel the casino part and reopen. What do you think? You gonna stay there when they reopen?
Sure.
This is the girl who whipped ass.
Wow. Why don't you?
No. I don't want whipped. No thanks. I gotta spank that opera house. Hey, what is he? Saxophone guy. I always want to call him the trumpet guy. So someone asked in one of our last videos if the saxophone guy is still here. Answer is yes. Looks like cleaning stuff right here.
Yes, it does.
Weird. Not something you normally smell on Fremont.
Your birthday?
Somebody's birthday.
Happy birthday! So, there's a few people who ask us where we get the booze that we're drinking, and it is, I'll show you. Right up here to our right, by the Queen's Casino, this little bar right over here. I don't know if you see it. But that's where you get the football and the booze. You've seen it in a couple of our videos. And they'll refill it for the cheaper rate. Right here, this little place. Using the gold shotgun. It's crazy for a Tuesday night, huh?
Yeah.
Girls having fun over there. Oh, there's a creepy clown. That's crazy. I wonder how much money he gets to keep of that.
Probably not that much.
And his parents take it off.
His parents take all the money it took for lessons.
The drummer lessons.
Yeah, and then
Maybe he's self-taught.
I doubt.
Dad wants us to go down like towards Fremont East. Because he and I are going to come back and do date night over there. If we get 500 likes on this video. So come on guys, I really need a date night with Craig. And we're going to show you the other side of Fremont. So this is where most of the tourists come. The other side is a little bar. We like them.
Isn't it weird how Slotzilla's there now?
Yeah.
And before, like, wasn't even there, and like,
Yeah. They do a lot of business in Slotzilla. I wonder if the link getting their zipline hurt or helped Slotzilla. I feel like this one's longer than the link. What do you think?
the Link got theirs way later.
Yeah, but I'm saying, do you think it hurt Slotzilla sales or no? People are still going to do Slotzilla.
No, because it's in the, what's it called? It's on Fremont.
Yeah.
Here's Man, so many people hate this guy's voice.
I know, right? But it's gotta be annoying to get everyone's attention. Oh, they have a new cannabis museum inside the Neonopolis.
Wait to cross 4th Street. Wait to cross 4th Street. Wait to cross 4th Street.
Hey, look, it's 2 speakers. One of them is like the one I found.
Yeah. Wait to cross 4th Street. Alright, so this is where you go buy a slot ticket. Little shop over here. I want to do this. We need to get a group of people together to do these thrill rides. You have to like escape room. That's what I want to do. Is that what they have in there?
I think.
Or is it like a video game thing?
I'm not too sure.
I don't know either. So are we gonna go to the parking garage? No?
It's pretty cool.
We're just doing wherever?
Heart Attack Grill lost so much. So they used to be like right there.
Yeah, but I feel like they built this all out, yeah. They probably hate Slash to live in there.
Yeah.
Anyway, there's the lovely Heart Attack Grill. We've done a video on that. They'll spank you if you don't eat all your food. And then this area over here, Fremont East, if we get, like I said, 500 likes, we're gonna have to do date night and hit up some of those little bars. They're pretty nice.
Come early, shrink often.
She's got a good voice.
Yeah.
She needs maybe she's a guitarist, huh?
Yeah.
Not yet. Not to that level yet.
Not even close.
Oh, look at the screen up top. Fire. And this is our Fremont Street funness. We don't really have much planned tonight.
Time.
Alright, there's a White Castle. Nacho Daddy's down here. What else we got? Oh, we've had pizza at that 322 pizza bar. It's good. Of course I've had pizza there. What is this guy on the gold blue? Is that a movie? Show?
Don't know.
No? What else we got? Another little souvenir shop. These are cool. Poker chips. I want to get living in Las Vegas poker chips. What do you think? That'd be cool to hand out to people, huh?
Yeah. I remember I got one of those once.
Yeah, remember when that guy was like, they won't bust, and then a little kid like threw it as hard as he could,
Yeah.
and it splattered everywhere.
Wahlburgers. Woo.
What?
That's gonna do the good there.
Taco Bell, Cantina, and Wahlburgers. Mark food. I thought they were all getting their pictures together, but there could have been drawers over there. So I thought that family, that was like a whole family, and they all looked miserable, like mad. But I think she was dead. Fremont Casino, we've done that one.
Yeah.
Chippendale.
We gave her his bead.
Aw, he wanted to see her like Mardi Gras.
I don't think so, but interesting.
That was weird, right? He just gave her a cigarette and kept walking.
Oh, and then there's this girl.
I feel like he's just going around giving cigarettes to people. No? I don't know. Maybe he works for the company with a girl. Sorry.
This guy's really into it.
Buckets, that's all you need are buckets.
Uh-oh.
I hope everyone's okay. What do you think?
I don't know.
Is there anything interesting you should tell people about Fremont Street? So we go to Bennigan's to get the $1 million photo. What were you gonna say?
It's the Four Corners.
Yeah. The Golden Nugget is obviously located at the Golden Nugget. What else? Okay, are we doing circles?
Circles.
I think hello, cool things to do. Oh, there's like a lucky stone if you're into that. At the top of the D, the Blarney Stone. Did I say that right?
Think his lessons paid off?
Yeah, I would say so. I always want to go in there, but I always eat too much before getting
Oh, look.
there.
He's all alone now.
I guess they're not going to put Vegas Vicky back up.
That was already known.
I like when people see their friends doing the thing and they're like, wow. Sorry. Oh, this is one of Dad's favorite bands done. There you go. One of the guys reminds him of Larry from back home. They play some good songs. They're Dad's
Oh no, he's not even lit up. I like how it's just like the little bit of the Pioneer.
Yeah, they left that little. Pet therapy.
I know, I saw
That
that.
was cute. What, $5 to pet his dog?
That's what it looks
Oh,
like.
I can just stand here and watch this. Isn't that cool just watching them? I remember when you were like a little boy, you'd be playing with your little trucks and you pull a bunch of rocks and dirt, ship it to another little place. Ooh. Look, you guys, they're building it.